Hello everyone. Today we are going to work on how to add localization, how to add a different language so that we can see these settings, menu system, everything here in a different language. For example, we are going to add French to the menu system. So whatever the language that we add here will dynamically detected and shown in the menu under the menu language. And if I select French for example and apply here, now we see everything in French. If I go back, you see all these options in French. And if I go here again and select English and apply, now we see everything back in English. So yeah, this is what we are going to work on today. Now, before we get started, let me remind you that you can download the project files of this project and all other thousands of projects I have done in my channel from my Patreon page. Once you become a member, you can access everything without any limits. To the date, there are over 2000 videos, and for each video, project files are available. And here is the full playlist of this series. Everything is implemented from scratch and explained. You can follow these episodes and implement everything by yourself too. Alright, now let's get started with today's episode. Okay, so the first thing is, let's go to our tools and localization dashboard. So this is where where all the localization related settings are shown. So here I'll first add a new target. I'll call it menu system because that's the name of the plugin, and I'll set this loading policy to game. What does that mean? I guess along with the game this is loaded. And then gather from packages. So my I want to specifically add localization for the menu system, so therefore I'll choose this plugins and menu system so that it will search for text in this path. And I don't think I have to do any other changes. Let's try gather text. Okay, gather text complete, and I got 200 text. Okay, now if I hit this, I can see the translations, so I can check all the text identified here. Let me get some space. Alright, since this is English, I don't need to do any changes here. Now the next step is, let's add a new language. For example, let's add, we already have English, French, and I'll choose the France French. And now here, if I hit this, you see we don't have translations yet. Let me try this export text. Here, localization, select folder, and it's exporting everything. Okay, now let me go to that folder. Here you can see EN and FR. So if you open this using text editor, you can see all the English version, but you don't see any translated text. So let me close this, and I'll go to Gemini and import this PO file, add translations. Okay, now it is adding translations. You can already see audio, I think it's the same. design concept. Okay. I don't really know French. I hope this is correct. So still doing the translation. Let's give it a second. Okay, now I'll copy this and open the PO file in text editor, paste, save, and close. Now let's go back here and import translations for this culture, and I'll import this modified PO file. Okay, now you see, now I can open this. See, everything is there. Good, I think. Okay, now I think I need to do this compile translations so that I can use them in the game. Okay, compilation done. Now to actually use these settings, this language settings, I'll go to my display settings and I have this menu language option. So if I go to the event graph and initialize menu language, right now I just have English here and it's nothing, that's all I have. So it's nothing is dynamically loaded, nothing is detected from the game, from the translations that are available. So this is what we can do. We have this get localized cultures, and so I'll remove this. Let me clear this array, and then let's run a for each loop and get this local variable culture array and add like this. Oh, actually there is something else. Get culture display name. Yeah, we can use that. Okay. And then we can, there is another setting, get current culture, and we can find this within this array. So this would be the index of the current culture. Okay, now if I compile, and here I have selected standalone game, so the otherwise, as I understand, otherwise translations, localization does not work properly. So this is to initialize this menu language option, so it will not still show all the available options. It will not still show any translated text. Just here we can see English and French. If I apply, it's not changing anything. We still see English. So for that we need to implement our apply function as well. Now here I have already created this apply menu language, which is called in the apply options. Here, apply menu language. So this apply options button is bound to this apply button. Apply menu language. Now here, from this option menu language, get selected index, and then get localized cultures get, right, and then we can call set current culture, and we have to configure enable that too. Okay, that should be all. Let's try. Okay, now here let's go to settings, display, let's choose French and apply. Oh, I had the other, yeah. Now it's all good. Here you can see all the options. Okay, so let's go back. I think audio is same, maybe. Back, continue. This looks like continue, credits, parameters for the options. Okay, let's change back to English. Yeah, now we are back in English. All right, now let me close this. In the same way, here you can add any language you need and add translations and compile. So the system will automatically detect all the available menu languages and it will show up here. So thanks for watching. As always, updated project files will be available for download here in the Patreon page. Link could be in the description below, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.